You must have seen all these videos where people like me yapping in front of camera, talking about how bad doing 9 to 5 job is, working under an employer and not owning your own company. It's a bad thing that they try to convince you that if you are working in an office, in a cubicle, working under somebody who is your boss, it's like a sin. It's like committing a sin, committing a crime. But let me tell you something. People who are not coming from a monetarily affluent background, it's a blessing to have an income, especially stable income. Doesn't matter where it's coming from, until and unless you are committing a crime, until and unless you are hurting somebody in order to earn that money. And it's not earning until and unless you are stealing or selling drugs or doing illegal stuffs, right? I realize that it is a blessing. And I'm not saying that do not follow your dreams or do not follow your passion, do not follow the fire that is inside of you. It's absolutely necessary, but you have to be practical. You have to think 10 different things before taking a particular decision. See, I always tell you, go after your dreams, follow your passion, and the urge that you have inside, just follow it. As a young man, you can do both. You can absolutely do both. You can work a 9 to 5 job, but at the same time have the energy and the focus to follow your dream part-time too. And you can make that shift gradually. You don't have to take a huge leap of faith. Sometimes, in some cases it becomes an absolute necessity to take the jump, but for most of the people, you can do it gradually. You can take that gradual change, because as a young man you have that energy. If you are 30-35 plus, it becomes harder and harder because your body is not capable to cope with that much amount of activity, that much amount of commitment. So during when you are of age 30 and above, it becomes an absolute necessity that you have to take that leap of faith. But if you are a young man, 20, 21, 25, hell, 28 years old, you can definitely... अरे मादर चोद, तो गाड़ी मार लेगा. गाड़ी रुक नहीं रही थी मैंने चोद. Yeah. So I was saying that if you are young, then you have time, you have energy to take to keep both the boat afloat, and you can make that shift gradually. ठीक है? तो जो कोई भी बोल रहा है कि just quit your 9 to 5 job, let me tell you that it's not practically advisable. तुम अपने आप का सोचना है, अपने फैमिली का सोचना है. Because just like me, if you are a guy whose family struggled a lot to send to a foreign developed country to earn money, and I think and I believe that it becomes your responsibility to earn the money and send back home, to let your parents know that they did not make a bad choice, they did not make a wrong choice. It's totally up to you. ठीक है? तो तुमको figure out करना है कि कैसे करना है. So that's why it becomes utmost necessary to take care of your health. Do not focus on drugs, do not focus on women, do not get distracted. Just focus on one goal at a time and achieve it. ठीक है ना? Surround yourself with people who are already on that path, or who has already achieved the goal that you want to achieve. ठीक है? तो जो कोई भी बोलता है 9 to 5 जॉब बेकार है करना, मत सुनो उनकी बात. अपने दिल की सुनो और वो शिफ्ट ग्रेजुअली लेके आओ. पैसा कमाओ, पैसे बचाओ, और उस पैसे को खुद पे इन्वेस्ट करो. खुद पे इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद यू कैन अपने स्किल्स पे इन्वेस्ट करो कि हाँ अगर तुमको बॉडी बिल्डर बनना है तो खाने पे इन्वेस्ट करो, एक कोचिंग पे इन्वेस्ट करो, क्या कहते हैं उसको, कोई मेंटोर को हायर कर लो या ऑनलाइन कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन कर लो. यू विल गेन अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज गाइज, यू विल रियली गेन अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज दैट यू वोंट if you actually would try to find or trying to figure out by yourself, you would take a lot of time. It would but if you hire a coach or if you join an online community, which obviously takes some money, but you will save a lot of time, and time is the only asset. Okay, time is the only actual asset that human has. पैसा आएगा, पैसा जाएगा, रिसोर्सेज आएंगे, रिसोर्सेज जाएंगे, बट एक बार ये तुम्हारा यूथ चला गया ना, एक बार तुम्हारा टाइम चला गया, इट्स नॉट गोना कम बैक. सो क्या तुमको चाहिए, फिक्स करो गोल एंड गो आफ्टर इट. और जो कोई भी बोलता है कि 9 to 5, अगर तुम क्या दिहाड़ी लगा रहे हो, क्या तुम तो इतने टैलेंटेड हो, तो ये भी कर सकता है, कर ले जाके, छोड़ जॉब. मत सुनो उनकी बात भाई. They are not gonna pay your bills. They won't be there if you go broke. You have to figure it all by yourself. ठीक है. और हो सकते हैं एक दो दोस्त हो तुम्हारे हो जो जेन्युइनली तुम्हारी चिंता करते हो. एक दो दोस्त ऐसे हो जो जेन्युइनली तुम्हारा साथ देंगे जब तुम्हारी गांड फटी होगी. बट एट द सेम टाइम भाई, तुमको तुम्हारा पता है अपना. So do not be dependable on anyone. 9 to 5 जॉब करो, बट एट द सेम टाइम जो फ्री टाइम मिल रहे हैं तुमको, दिन के 24 घंटे में बीच बीच में पॉकेट्स मिल रहे हैं ना, डो नॉट वेस्ट इट. यूटिलाइज इट, यूज इट टू शार्पन योर सॉर्ड, टू शार्पन दैट द स्किल दैट यू वांट टू एक्वायर ऑफ बिकमिंग दैट पर्सन दैट यू वांट टू बी. ठीक है. सिंगिंग सीखना है, सिंगिंग सीखो. बॉडी बिल्डिंग सीखना है, बॉडी बनानी है, बॉडी पे ध्यान दो. आप आर्टिकुलेशन स्किल्स, डिबेट लड़ना है, उस पर ध्यान दो. ठीक है. कंटेंट क्रिएशन करना है, उस पर ध्यान दो. बहुत टाइम है यार. इफ़ यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ, इफ़ यू हैव बॉल्स, देन यू विल फिगर इट आउट. बट मैं ये कहता हूँ कि बस एक गलती मत कर देना कि 9 to 5 जॉब जस्ट बिकॉज बहुत इन्फ्लुएंसर बोलते हैं कि 9 to 5 जॉब छोड़ के ड्रीम्स को परस्यू करो. ऐसा मत करना. ड्रीम्स परस्यू करना ज़रूरी है, बट मेक दैट शिफ्ट ग्रेजुअल एंड प्रैक्टिकल. ठीक है. चलो, आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वन.